Today I'm going to show you how to sketch pretty much anything, and it's just following a really basic principle of gridding out. So if you've got a base piece that you're working off, so for me I'm trying to do this rainbow puppy and I want to transfer it onto this canvas board. So the first thing I'm going to do is create some grid lines. So I'm going to work out the middle point of my piece and draw straight down the middle. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the other axis. So now I've got a few quadrants that I can work in, but I'm actually going to make it even smaller. So now I've got my grids on here. Now I need to grid my canvas here. Not all absolutely perfect, but what I have mapped out is something nice and simple. So I can see this first quadrant up here, nothing. This one, I've got a little line. This one, it's going to continue on to about halfway. Got a slight. There we go. Now the rest of the detail would come from the paint, but I've actually got something to work with now, and then all I need to do is use my eraser to take the lines away, or I can just paint over those lines. So there you have it. And you can do that with absolutely anything on any size. So I could do this with a huge canvas, or I could do this with a much smaller one, and I'd just keep getting the same results from gridding. I hope you found that helpful.